Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. So firstly I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. Some Android phones have Android that is similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check iOS video also. Now on your Android, open settings, and then you need to scroll down and find accessibility. On my phone it's located at the bottom. Click on it, and then we need to scroll down again and find audio adjustment, what also on this phone located at the bottom. Click on it, and right here we have audio balance. Now to increase the volume for your right earbud, you need to change this balance for the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right. But once you increase it for the right earbud, you will lower the volume on your left earbud. To change this balance for the left earbud, you need to move the slider to the left. And it's the same, once you increase it for the left earbud, you will lower the volume for the right earbud. And let's say if you use 100% on the left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now let's move to Apple device. On your iPhone, open settings. After that, we need to find accessibility. So it's located under the general settings. Maybe you need to scroll down if you have display size hugest. So click at the accessibility, and right here you need to also scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. Click on it. Then scroll down just a bit, and right here we have volume balance. To change the balance for the right earbud, we need to move this dot to the right, or the slider if you have iOS 26. Now once we did it, we increase the volume on the right earbud but lower it at the left earbud. And to change balance for the left earbud, you need to move this dot or the slider to the left earbud. And once we increase it for the left earbud, we will lower it for the right earbud. And if we use, let's say, 100% on the left earbud, we will totally mute sound on your right earbud. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!